guys, this is Zach down here at Midway in Billings, just chilling with my fluffy self in the front cap of this brand new Raptor 441. This thing's sick, dude. Let me show you around. So the Raptor is by far, if you don't know this, you know it now. It's by far the best toy hauler on the market, and the best toy hauler on the market just got better, guys. This thing's fully loaded, matte black and gold paint. Look at that. I mean, just crazy. It's got 5 Girard LED lit awnings on it, guys. Absolutely crazy. 4 TVs, including one outside. You got a big screen TV outside, dude. This is crazy. For those of you who have toy haulers, the biggest pain in the neck part about it's lifting that ramp up and down. Not anymore. Keystone came out with an electric ramp, guys. You just stand here and hold a button. It lowers itself, it raises itself. Absolutely crazy. Let's go check out the inside. This thing's gonna blow your mind. Ridiculous, right? All residential grade appliances, from your stove top to your fridge. I mean, look at that fridge, it's huge. Huge. We're sliding out a pantry, dude. How dope is that? Hidden pantry. Extendo table, cuz. If you need seating, you got friends, guess what? We got all the seating you could ever want. Right next to it, we got a fireplace that actually gives off some heat, and it looks pretty. It's got a door to cancel out the noise if you're hanging out in here. Then we come outside. We're chilling on our, again, electric patio. 8 foot wide by 12 foot long garage. Obviously, guy has the bed that comes out from the roof. Has your couches, has everything you need. Oh, hey, look, another TV. All right, let's head up front here. The definition of luxury. Check out this bathroom. That's the nicest toy hauler bathroom I've ever seen. And then we come in here. Gotta have the king-sized RV bed in here. Full wardrobe, full closet in here. Washer and dryer hookups right here in your bedroom. No more going to the garage to wash your clothes. Oh, another freaking TV! This is crazy. Guys, this Raptor's absolutely sick. Come on down to Midway. We'll blow your mind. 6260 South Frontage Road. Ask for Zach. I'd be happy to help.